Have you ever seen a brand new channel that gets hundreds or even thousands of subscribers in just a couple of weeks, but when you open their videos, they barely get any views? Do you know why that happens? Because many of them fall into the trap called sub for sub. You know that famous comment, "I'll subscribe to you if you subscribe to me." Now let me explain why this doesn't help you at all, and how it can completely kill your channel. YouTube clearly says in its community guidelines that sub for sub is spam. If someone reports you, your channel could get a strike. Even if you don't get a strike, your comments will be flagged as spam and won't have any impact. So right from the start, you're walking on thin ice. So what is the real problem, even without strikes? Let's say YouTube doesn't take any action. Through sub for sub, you manage to get 500 subscribers. When you upload a video, a notification goes out to all 500. But what happens? Only a handful of people actually watch it. The rest ignore it because they were never interested in your content in the first place. And this is exactly where the YouTube algorithm hits you. It sees that most of your subscribers aren't engaging. It assumes your channel isn't interesting, and it stops recommending your videos to new viewers. Imagine you have a gaming channel. Someone with a news channel subscribes to support you. Do you really think that news creator will watch every gaming video you upload? Or if you subscribe back, are you really going to watch long, serious news reports every day? Of course not. That kind of support has zero value. It's just a number that does nothing for growth. So, why this is so dangerous? Your channel fills up with uninterested subscribers. Your watch time and click-through rates drop hard. The algorithm assumes your content is low quality. The result? Your channel gets buried right at the start, and it may never grow naturally again. In short, sub for sub equals slow death for your channel. So, what should you do instead? Focus on making high-quality content, even if views are low at first. Stick to one niche so you can attract the right audience. Engage with your real viewers, reply to comments, and build a community. Be patient. Real growth takes time, but it lasts. All right, friends, now it's your turn. Has anyone ever asked you to do sub for sub? Or have you tried it yourself? Share your experience in the comments so others can learn too. And remember, don't chase fake numbers, chase real people. Because even 10 genuine viewers are worth more than 1,000 uninterested subscribers. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next one.